Most small business owners get this wrong. They treat expense tracking like something they will do later. So they save receipts in random folders, forget transactions, and only realize the problem during tax season. Here's the truth no one tells you. Expense tracking is not just bookkeeping. It is the foundation of your profit control. If you don't know where your money is going, you don't actually run a business, you just react to it. And in this video, you'll learn the best expense tracker apps for small business in 2026, so you can stay in control from day one. Let's start with QuickBooks Online. This is one of the most complete solutions for small businesses. It automatically syncs bank transactions, categorizes expenses, and generates reports. If you are like Alex, who runs a small online store, QuickBooks helps you see exactly what you are spending on ads, inventory, and operations. But here's the problem. It can feel expensive and a bit overwhelming for beginners. Now here's where it gets interesting. Xero is a strong alternative with a cleaner interface. It connects to your bank accounts and helps you track expenses in real time. Many small business owners prefer it because it feels less complicated while still being powerful enough for daily use. Next is Wave. This is a great free option for very small businesses or freelancers. It tracks expenses, connects to your bank, and gives simple reports without charging a monthly fee. But here's the catch. It lacks advanced automation and deeper analytics that growing businesses eventually need. Now let's talk about Zoho Expense. This app is especially useful if you already use other Zoho tools. It automates receipt scanning, expense approvals, and travel reimbursements. It is very structured, which makes it great for teams. But it can feel slightly complex if you only need basic tracking. Finally, we have Expensify. This is a popular choice for teams that deal with frequent travel or employee reimbursements. You can scan receipts, track mileage, and submit reports quickly. It saves a lot of time, but pricing can increase as your team grows. Now here's the key insight most business owners miss. The best expense tracker is not the one with the most features. It is the one that your team will actually use every day without skipping entries. So if you are just starting, Wave is often enough. If you want balance, Xero is a great middle ground. If you want full control and scalability, QuickBooks is the strongest option. And if you manage teams or travel-heavy expenses, Zoho Expense or Expensify works best. To wrap it up, expense tracking in 2026 is about clarity, consistency, and control. The sooner you track every dollar, the faster you understand your real profits. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business type, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that help you run your business smarter.